Just warm it up in here real quick while I get all organized and changed. I wasn't really planning on filming this trip. That's why I'm starting the video off already at camp. After I woke up in the morning, I thought, why not do some filming? I think it was about 20 degrees last night. I was pretty comfortable in bed. Didn't even use the heater until this morning. I just turned the buddy heater on for a few minutes just to warm it up a little bit. Turned out to be a real nice morning. Alright, I'm just getting coffee ready, and we'll show you what it's like around here. Good thing I found this little gas station. I don't think I would have made it all the way to the next town. Just gonna make a stop at Maverick's gas station. I like their steak burritos, so hopefully pick one of those up. Let me know in the comments below if you've been to either of these places. And if you haven't, I recommend checking them out. Well, this looks like a pretty nice spot to take a break and make some lunch. If you like this content and you haven't checked out my other videos, I recommend doing so. I have some more details on the inside of my truck bed. But for now, you can sit back and watch me make some food if you're into that kind of thing. The beef stroganoff with noodles is really good. Well, that was a fun trip. Just checking out Leslie Gulch. It's pretty cool. I think I'm going to come back here sometime and spend a couple days. But for right now, I'm just going to head out of here and go home. Hope you enjoyed the video. And here's a little more enjoyable footage. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video.